Are you okay?
Come here.
Aww. Come here, baby. Let me help. Come here. Aww. It's okay.
Here, I'll go. Stop. I'll go this way.
Okay. You get her, him, whatever it is. They're learning how to fly. Kind of creepy. Do you see the baby?
Yeah.
Hi. Come here. Come here. There you
We
go.
want a pet.
Hey, dear.
Keep it. Keep it, Dad.
Shh.
Look.
Whoa. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi. Look at the baby. You can't get them. They're flying.
Oh yeah, this is a baby.
Oh, yeah. Wing is broken. Or his. Just hopping around in there outside. Couldn't fly. Looking for food.
Hand me your lid.
Hi,
Hand me the lid
babies.
to that.
We're gonna fix you all up, okay? It's okay.
Come on, Kylie. Hand me the lid.
Don't be scared.
The lid to your pen.
Aw,
Hand it to me.
scared.
We're gonna
It's
get-
very hot.
I know. I'm trying to hurry, but Kylie's being goofy. Put that in your thing. I need your lid.
We gave him some water. There's some cheese over there in the corner. I doubt that she'll find it just yet, or he. We don't know what it is. Huh. He's so scared. Aw, baby boo. Little baby birdie. I don't know what to name him.
Pom-poms.
Is your name Pom Pom? That's a good name. Pom Poms.
Pom-poms
Hi.
are pretty names.
Yeah.
Call him that.
Okay. We'll check in again and we'll let you see what's going on with the baby birdie. So, bye for now. What's the matter?
Ready? Go ahead and open it. You
Pull
gotta
it
slide
back.
it.
It wasn't as
Oh my god, it actually hit your hand.
Oh, I know. It's on the table.
Well, why didn't you do it when I was starting this?
Well, she didn't know.
Say thank you, Crystal.
What? I want you to paint something on there for me. This thing.
Would you draw something on there? Like inside or something?
Like what?
Well, like
Oh,
something that
pick
you
it
draw.
up. Open it up.
Do you think Tom will do this box?
Where'd you get it?
Crystal got it for Tom.
What is it?
Oh, he's recording, you smart one.